Hi everyone. Today I'm presenting part 1 of a 2-episode series on the repair of this beautiful Omega Pocket Watch, sent to me by a friend a few days ago. It's in great condition, but when wound, the balance wheel has very low amplitude and stops shortly after. Make sure to watch until the end to find out exactly what was causing this watch to malfunction. Let's start tearing down the movement. I will start by releasing the mainspring tension, and then I'll remove the stem and crown. I'm going to unscrew the case screw that secures the movement to the silver case. The Calibre 19 movements are incredibly accurate and high quality. In fact, they are the reason behind the name of the world-renowned Omega. After removing the hands, the next step is to remove the dial. To do this, I'm going to loosen the small dial feet screws on the side of the movement. With great care, I am going to remove the balance bridge. I'm removing the winding wheel now. Note that this is a reverse threaded screw, so it unscrews clockwise. Then, I'll remove the ratchet wheel. To access the mainspring barrel, I'll need to remove the barrel bridge. It's time to remove the pallet fork and its bridge. Carefully, and with the help of the tool, I'm going to remove the cannon pinion. Now I'm going to remove the train bridge that secures the wheels. the disassembly of the keyless works, I'll take it apart piece by piece, being careful not to let the springs fly away. Finally, I'm removing the balance cap jewel. I'm removing the mainspring now, and I'll try to source a new spring to give the watch renewed power. I have to be extremely careful as the screw could pop out, and it's so minuscule that finding it would be a nightmare. I'm now fully disassembling the balance assembly. I'll begin with the regulator and end with the removal of the cap jewel. This Omega setup is quite similar to the ones found in many American pocket watches. After a thorough inspection of the parts, it's clear that the malfunction was caused by dried-out oils and a long-term lack of maintenance. Over time, the lubricants turned into a sticky paste, preventing this beautiful Calibre 19 from ticking as it should. To watch Part 2, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. The final part of this restoration will be up in a few days, featuring the full assembly. See you there.